Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to take part in a financial revolution? A world where money is no longer controlled by banks or governments, but by you. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies. A promise that has inspired millions and scared just as many. In today's video, we'll explore the real opportunities and the hidden risks behind the world of crypto. We'll talk about what cryptocurrencies really are, how they work, and how you can approach them wisely, even if you're not a financial expert. Because understanding this new form of money could be one of the smartest financial moves you'll ever make. Let's start from the basics. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that exists only online. No coins, no banknotes, no central authority. It's powered by something called blockchain technology, a system that records every transaction publicly, transparently, and securely. This technology has incredible potential and could very well shape the future. Think of it as a shared digital ledger that everyone can see but no one can secretly change. Bitcoin was the first, launched in 2009, and it opened the door to thousands of others: Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and more. Each one has its own mission, its own strengths, and yes, its own risks. Now let's be honest. For many, crypto sounds like a quick way to get rich. Stories of early investors becoming millionaires overnight are everywhere. But what you rarely hear about are the people who lost everything chasing those same dreams. So here's the truth. Cryptocurrencies can be a powerful vehicle for building wealth. For a few, they've become a fast track to riches, but only if you really understand what you're doing. Otherwise, they can become the fastest way to burn your savings. The key is not to gamble, but to strategize. Let's see how. Step 1. Understand your goals. Are you looking to trade for short-term profits or invest for the long run? If you're a beginner, start by learning. Don't rush in because of hype or fear of missing out. Remember, in the crypto world, emotions are the enemy. Step 2. Diversify. Do not put all your money into a single coin, especially if it has a low market capitalization. Even Bitcoin, the most established one, can drop 20% in a single day. But if you want to focus your investments on just a few coins, history shows that Bitcoin has always been a winning horse over the long term. Balance your portfolio with safer assets, stocks, ETFs, or bonds. If you're not an expert or your tolerance for risk is limited, crypto should only make up a small portion of your overall investments, and it could reward you with amazing results. Step 3. Protect yourself. Security is everything. And this is where many investors make their biggest mistake. Most people keep their coins on crypto exchanges, platforms like Binance or Coinbase. But here's the danger. If the exchange fails, gets hacked, or goes bankrupt, your funds might disappear forever. You don't actually own the crypto stored on an exchange. You just have access to it as long as the exchange works. The safer alternative is to use a hardware wallet, a physical device that stores your private keys offline. This means your crypto is truly under your control. However, even here there's a risk. If you lose the device, forget your passwords, or someone steals your recovery phrase, you lose access permanently. No customer service. No reset button. No second chance. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe, because later in this video I'll share an easy way to invest in crypto. Now, what about the opportunities? Here's where crypto gets truly exciting. Cryptocurrencies aren't just about speculation, they're about freedom and innovation. They allow anyone, anywhere, to send money across the world in seconds, with almost no fees and no intermediaries. They open the door to DeFi, decentralized finance, a new ecosystem where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest without traditional banks. And with blockchain technology, we're seeing the rise of NFTs, smart contracts, and entire digital economies being built from scratch. These tools can empower people in countries with unstable currencies, give small investors global access to financial opportunities, and even reshape industries like art, gaming, and real estate. But, and this is important, innovation always comes with uncertainty. Crypto prices can be extremely volatile, regulations are still evolving, and most of the projects fail or disappear over time. That's why education is your best investment. So what's the best approach? Here's a practical roadmap you can follow. 1. Educate yourself. Follow reliable sources, read white papers, understand the fundamentals. 2. Start small. Even $50 can be a great way to learn without big risks. 3. Use a strategy. Decide which coins to invest in carefully. Bitcoin has proven to be a solid, long-lasting project. And over the years, it has delivered incredible results for those who believed in it. If you're thinking about investing in altcoins, that is, all the other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin, be very selective. You can use them to speculate in the short term, but remember, over the years, only a few of them managed to survive and show real lasting performance. 4. Think long-term. Don't chase quick wins. Build a vision for your future financial independence. In the world of crypto, volatility is extreme, and emotions can easily play tricks on you. Because crypto isn't just about technology, it's about mindset. It's about learning to take control of your finances, making informed choices, and believing in your ability to adapt. Too complicated? If you don't feel comfortable buying and storing cryptocurrencies directly, there's another option: Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum ETF. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a financial product that tracks the price of an asset, in this case Bitcoin or Ethereum, but trades on a traditional stock exchange, just like a normal share. If you want simplicity and security and you see crypto mainly as a long-term investment, an ETF is probably the best choice. You get regulated exposure, easy access, and peace of mind. But if you want full control and flexibility, or if you're passionate about the crypto ecosystem, owning real coins gives you that freedom. You can participate in DeFi, stake your tokens, and be part of the innovation happening on the blockchain. The right choice isn't about which one is better, but which one fits you. Let's summarize. Cryptocurrencies bring huge opportunities, innovation, accessibility, and potential wealth creation. But they also come with real risks: volatility, scams, and lack of regulation. The difference between success and failure lies in knowledge, patience, and discipline. If you can master those, crypto can become not just an investment, but a gateway to a new way of thinking about money and freedom. So dream big, but stay smart. Take the time to learn, plan, and act with intention. Because remember, the future of finance belongs to those who dare to understand it. Do you want to find out how to save more, invest better, and plan concrete goals? If you'd like to know more, subscribe to the channel and watch the next video.